Hello, my name is Albert Cot. I'm an international market developer at Pilz. Pilz is a global supplier of automation components, systems, and services. In everything we do, we want to make the world a safer place. This is apparent in each product and solution from Pilz that considers both machinery safety and security requirements. Pilz would like to support you build the hydrogen industry of tomorrow. Pilz has many years of experience in functional safety and industrial security. You can benefit from this experience for your hydrogen applications. Our fail-safe and certified controllers and access management solutions have all the required features to be used in different applications of the hydrogen chain. From production to consumption of hydrogen, there is the requirement to detect leakage, gas, flames, pressure, or temperature in a fail-safe way. The analog inputs of our safety controllers are second to none for this application. With increasing digital networking, it is also essential that you consider the topic of industrial security in order to protect sensitive plant data. Pilz also offers tried and tested solutions for this. If you need a partner who understands all the steps involved in making your hydrogen application safe and secure, please contact our support at pilz.com or visit our website at pilz.com/hydrogen. I look forward to talking to you.